what are you doing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to sing a song?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Zoe's burping Elmo. Daddy's burping Jude. Can you sing that?
No.
Let me hear you sing.
Dad, so it's burping Elmo. Dad's burping.
That was good. Okay, do you want to do the second verse? You want to keep singing it?
No.
Elmo, Elmo, burp, burp, burp. Elmo, Elmo, burp, burp, burp. Okay, now your turn.
No. No. First you.
Okay.
You want Jude to sing?
Jude, Jude, burp, burp, burp. Jude, Jude, burp, burp, burp. Okay, your song.
Okay.
Your turn.
Elmo, burp, burp, burp.
Good job. Okay, you want the next part of the song? Okay. You want to keep singing? Okay, well, I'll keep singing, okay? I love you, Elmo. You know it's true.
I'm gonna put this. Oh, no.
Oh, okay.